What's up, everybody? This is your boy once again, Mikey84. For you today, I have a Synergy digital replacement battery or backup battery for your Panasonic DMC-ZS8. I got this at East Coast Photos for $19.95, free shipping. I thought that was the best deal, even better than Amazon. So if y'all want to get your own battery, please go to eastcoastphotos.com. Right now, this battery is a 3.7 volt and a 1200 milliamp hour battery. So you guys won't have to see me cut this. I pre-cut this so you don't have to, waste your time seeing me cut this. Here's all the information on the battery. It also comes with a plastic protector case thing. And this is it. I got it, once again, like I said, I got this at eastcoastphotos.com. Please check it out. If you want more description, please go to the site. This has been your boy, Mikey84.